While the world watches Japan brace for its next megaquake, the most catastrophic seismic event of our lifetime is silently brewing beneath American soil. Now, a geological time bomb is ticking in California, accumulating unprecedented levels of kinetic energy with every passing second. We are not talking about a distant possibility or a Hollywood movie script. We are looking at a mathematical certainty that will rewrite the geography of the West Coast. The ground beneath millions of people is locked, loaded, and fundamentally unstable. For decades, we have been warned about the big one, but the media has been looking at the wrong numbers and the wrong fault lines. The actual geological data paints a terrifying picture. Today, we are stripping away the myths to reveal the raw, unedited evidence from leading seismologists. In this breakdown, you will discover 3 hidden geological secrets: the terrifying 336-year deficit of the San Andreas, the northern monster capable of a magnitude 9 megathrust, and the microscopic trigger swarms that signal the end. You will understand exactly why the next rupture is imminent. Chapter 1: The San Andreas Deficit. The southern section of the San Andreas Fault operates on a strict, historically proven schedule. Geological records show that this specific fault line ruptures and releases its tectonic tension every 150 years on average. However, the last major event occurred in the year 1690. Let that sink in. We are currently facing a massive 336-year deficit. The fault has not simply missed a cycle, it has accumulated over 3 centuries of immense tectonic friction. It is currently holding more than double the kinetic energy of a normal seismic cycle, straining the bedrock to its absolute physical limits. Furthermore, the United States Geological Survey relies on hard mathematical modeling, not guesswork, based on fault slip rates. Their current official forecast states there is a staggering 72% statistical probability of a magnitude 6.7 or greater earthquake striking the San Francisco Bay Area before the year 2043. But while millions worry about the San Andreas, a much darker threat is sleeping nearby. Chapter 2: The Cascadia Megathrust Secret. While the media focuses on the San Andreas Fault, which physically caps at around an 8.3 magnitude, the real monster is sitting just to the north. Stretching from Northern California up to Canada is the Cascadia Subduction Zone. This is not a standard strike-slip fault. It is a subduction zone, the exact same geological mechanism that caused Japan's devastating 2011 Tohoku earthquake. Cascadia is fully capable of generating a 9.0 or higher megathrust earthquake. When this fault slips, it will abruptly shove the ocean floor upward, displacing millions of gallons of water in seconds. Standard California and Oregon coastal infrastructure is largely underprepared for the catastrophic tsunami this specific type of fault would inevitably unleash. Entire coastal communities could be inundated before evacuation orders are fully processed. The scale of devastation would dwarf anything in modern history. Yet, the most immediate danger might not come from the north, but from tiny warnings in the south. Chapter 3: The Salton Sea Trigger. A dangerous myth persists that small earthquakes release pressure, preventing a massive quake. The truth is far more alarming. They often prime the trigger. At the very southern tip of the San Andreas lies the Salton Sea. When earthquake swarms, meaning hundreds of small quakes occurring over just a few days, happen in this specific area, tectonic fluid pressure changes dramatically underground. During these specific swarms, the USGS actually raises the official probability of a massive San Andreas rupture by up to 10 times for a brief, highly volatile 7-day window. These localized tremors act as the chaotic spark near the powder keg. Small shakes at the Salton Sea are not a geographical sigh of relief. They are the Earth's final warning sirens, screaming that the fault is dangerously unstable. The ultimate revelation is that these three distinct threats are not isolated. The unimaginable tension in the south, the mathematical certainty in the Bay Area, and the megathrust monster in Cascadia form a triad of unprecedented geological peril. Multiple fault systems are pushed past their breaking points. The question is no longer if the ground will shatter, but which trigger fires first. Awareness and relentless preparation are our only defense against this inevitable reality. Never let the next seismic shift catch you off guard. Subscribe right now so you do not miss our next deep dive into global survival strategies.